Okay, first thing to realise with this question is that we've got an exponential here. An exponential is when x is the power, so it's y equals 2 to the power of x. So let's go through the graphs. Graph D is a linear graph because it's a straight line, so that's not correct. Graph A is a cubic because it goes up and then down and then up again. And we assume that the graph will carry on upwards here and carry on downwards here, but it's a cubic, so it's not that one. Graph C is a reciprocal, so it's something like this, or there might be some numbers in there, but it's not that one. Graph B, however, is our exponential. Now, the way of realising it's an exponential is that it kind of grows forever. So it starts off at a point. On this one, it starts off, technically, if you went to the left far enough, like infinitely far enough, you'd hit the x-axis, and then it goes up and up, and then at this point here, it hits 1, because anything to the power of 0, when x is 0, is going to be 1, and then it just shoots off upwards. So it's going to be graph B.